And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll see it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway and more. Much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, and then again too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. Much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I beat off more than I could chew, and through it all, well, there was that I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what a man! What had he got, if not himself, that he has not to see the things we truly feels, and now the words of one who leads the recalled show. I took the blows and